dear learners. So today I will be teaching you the chapter Midnight Wisdom. It's written by Robert Arthur. So the story has three main characters: Ozible, secret agent; Max, secret agent; Fowler is the writer. So the story starts with the appearance of Ozible by Fowler. Fowler explains about tells us about the Ozible. He says that Ozible is very fat and Ozible can speak two languages, French and German, with the accent of French and German basically. And Ozible is also having an accent of American, which he brought from Paris to Boston like 20 years ago. But what is disappointing for the Fowler is that as he's with Ozible, so he must be expecting exciting or thrilling evening. But as he was with Ozible, Ozible described himself to Fowler. He says that you had a very dull evening sitting with me in a French music hall, and you must be thinking that I'll be spying on someone. But what you got? As you're a writer, you are romantic and young, you are with me thinking that I'll be getting some messages from black beauties and I'll be getting some strange calls. But what happens is, I got a call from the hotel for appointment of my room. But never mind, you can. Then he allows a Fowler to enter his room and also tells him about the important papers he'll be getting by today. He tells him that he will be getting some important papers by today that is risked by many people and that will even change history. Further, they enter the room and switch on the lights. They suddenly saw a man with a pistol in his hand. Fowler was shocked, but Ozible blinks his eyes and says, "Max, you are here. I was expecting you are in a Berlin." But Max says that, "I know you'll be getting some new missiles today and that will look good in my hand, not in yours." So the appearance of the Max features looks like Fox. He's tall and slender. Further, the story continues and Ozible discusses about his complaints. Ozible says that's twice in a month that someone has come inside this room from this window, and that is very disappointing for me. I've already complained to the management for this, but they haven't taken any action. Fowler sees towards that window and Max says that, "I have not entered from this window. I have a pass key for this room. I've entered from the door. But if I had known about this window, I must have entered from here."